guys, a very good evening and welcome to our next session on income from salary part 2. Okay, so today again we are going to see 30 MCQs on income from salary in quickly in 30 minutes. Okay, so everyone please join the session by entering the code 231569 for today's quiz. Yes, just open your browser, go on to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code 231569 to quickly join my quiz and participate in a quiz with me, so we can answer the quiz as well as you can do the revision. Okay, so the code for today's session is 231569. Come on everyone who are there online on YouTube, join quickly so we can quickly start with the session. Hello Aditi, a very good evening. Hello Ruchita. शुभा, लेखना आप 2-3 दिन से गायब थे. Yes, we'll wait for another 2 minutes to start the session and then we'll quickly start with the session. Hello Ruchi. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute and then we'll start with the session. Where is our clock? It's here. Oh yes, correct. You had the mock exams. It's fine, Lighna. Do well in that. Best of luck. Good evening, Abhishek. See, a best thing I will say you guys for you, and the same thing and you suggest to your friends and then whoever everywhere there in our batch. If you don't have time, if you don't have to half hour or something like that, or you couldn't able to join the session, the best thing is what you can do, guys, is that once you go, you can later on, as the sessions are on YouTube only, just play this on 2x speed. So what will happen, you will go through all questions quickly. Koi question mein kuch gadbad laga, you can wait, you can hear my explanation and then again go front. So this will hardly take 15 minutes. We have session of around 30 minutes. आप फटाक से चालू करोगे 15 minutes में आपका 2x की स्पीड में सब फटाफट MCQ हो जाएगा. कोई MCQ में if you want any mistake is there or you have any query, you can listen to my solution and you can go further. That would be the best thing in case if you are missing it. Okay, chalo then. Let's start with the session without any delay. And yes, our next session is going to be directly on Monday. Saturday, Sunday is holiday for you and for me as well. We will have our next session on Monday, and our next session is going to be really very important because that is going to be on PGBP. Okay, so let's start with the session. Here is question number 1 in front of you. Value of a perquisite in case of rent-free accommodation given to government employee will be a rent-free accommodation given to government employee. Yes. Generally for everyone we do bad BCM. If you remember, salary का bad BCM करते हैं. What will happen in this case? In channel, which channel, Abhishek? Abhishek, the video is it's already there in the channel. You can see with the playlist of CNT Media Option number D. It is always going to be on the license fee. Very good. Next, because they are a government employee. For other employee, 15% of bad VCL. Salary is 2 lakhs. Fair rent of house in Delhi given to employee is 1,30,000. Perquisite in case of non-government employees is in Delhi. Don't forget that. Salary for the computation is 2 lakh rupees. Yes. You have to just say the perquisite value here. So answer is 30,000. How come 30,000? So 15% of salary or actual rent, whichever is lower. So 15% of salary comes to 30,000. Very good. Next question. Employee is provided with furniture costing 50,000. Perquisite value of this furniture is, very simple question. Answer in this case is simple, 10%. Very good. क्या बात है, सभी ने सही आंसर दिया है. Next question. SM provided with a furniture of 70,000. It is rented by employer for higher charges of 5,000 per annum. What is the perquisite value? Yes, the furniture rented by employer. That is been paid. Okay, if it is rented then rent, if it's not rented then 10% of the value of the furniture. Question number 5. Salary of an employee is 2 lakh rupees. Rented house provided at Faridabad is 3,000 per month and charges rupees 2,000 to employee. So employer took rent at 3,000, he is charging to employee only 2,000. What is the perquisite value here? And the right answer is 6,000. Yes, I would like to know that जिसने आंसर 6,000 दिया है, जो दो जने, how come they derived this answer? Yes, please explain me in your chat how you have derived this answer 6,000. Let me check. Yes, the two one who are answered this 6,000. Please say me your answer, how you derived this. We'll check that. Meantime, we'll move to the next question. SM with a salary of 12,000 per month gets rent-free accommodation from 1st July in Pune. Pune has a population of 20 lakhs and more people. House is owned by employer. What is going to be the of this perquisite? Yes? Come on everyone, answer quickly. So simple question. Answer is very simple. 12,000 into 12 into 15%. Wait a minute. How come 10,800? No, it's actually, I think it's a wrong answer clicked by me. The answer is going to be 21,600. Option A is the right answer, as 12,000 into 12, 144, 1,44,000 into 15% as the population is more than 10 lakh. So that comes to 21,600. Option A is the right answer here. Next question. Yes, I will explain that Aditi. Salary is 25,000 per month and his hotel room given in Pune on his transfer for a week. Value of perquisite for rent-free accommodation is, on transfer, hotel accommodation is given for a week. What is the value of perquisite? Yes? And the answer is nil. Very good. If there is a transfer up to 15 days, the accommodation is not taxable in a perquisite. Above that, it is taxable at the rate 25%. Very good. Next question. Everyone who are online, please join this quiz by going on this website and entering the code. Medical facility to employee in India is exempt if, yes, approved by PCC, CCC, like government only, like approved by income tax department, principal commissioner or chief commissioner. The right answer is all of the above. See, either government approved hospital or government hospital or employer hospital. All three in India, then it is exempt. What a reimbursement you get it. Question number 9. SM is entitled to 8,000 per month as medical allowance. He spends 4,000 on his medical treatment. Exemption is how much? Medical allowance. याद करो ऐसा कोई एग्जेम्पशन में पढ़ा भी है या नहीं. The right answer is nil. Absolutely correct. No medical allowance is exempt to you. Okay? Whatever expenditure you do, it's not or it's never going to be exempt. That's why, Shriram, you need to read the complete question. Please always read the complete question and all options, and then only answer it. Health insurance premium paid by employer in approved scheme of central government or Insurance Regulatory Development Authority is health insurance premium of employee paid by employer is taxable or not? Next question, question number 11. SM took an interest-free loan of 15,000 from employer. Market rate of interest is 10%. The taxable value of the perquisite is. Here you have to see the SBI rate. Okay. But don't forget the loan amount is 15,000. गड़बड़ में आंसर मत देना. Yes, the taxable perquisite here in this case is nil. Who was this one who have given this correct answer? Please say me. How come nil? If the loan is less than 20,000 or loan is for specified disease, no interest is going to be taxable in the hands of employee. Remember it nicely. ये एक कौन था? Is really good. You have learned something. वो पढ़ कर आया है. बाकी सब ऐसे उठ कर आए. Please say in the chat who was this one. Okay. Next question. Everyone who are online, please go to this site and join the quiz quickly. Perquisite value of a loan at concessional rate. The lending rate of State Bank of India as on is required. कौन से दिन का हम lending rate देखेंगे of State Bank of India to check the perquisite. Yes, who was that one who had given the correct answer of the earlier question? It was Ruchida. Okay, that's very good. It seems that you have studied and you have came into class. Guys, everyone who are there live on YouTube, there is no way or no word to watch it only. When you can participate in the quiz, just type join my quiz and put the code and you will be there. Right answer is the first day of previous year. Whatever will be the first day of the previous year, that rate we will use to calculate the perquisite in case of interest free or concessional rate loan by employer to employee. Please remember this. जो wrong answer दिए इसे याद रखना. Next question. In which of the following cases interest free loan is not treated as perquisite? Yes. Now answer it correctly. Already I have discussed this answer with you. C, both A and B. Very good. Next question. Training of employees is not a or an dash dash perquisite. Yes. Is not a or an dash dash perquisite. I have seen your answer on this YouTube chat live. Rather than answering there, just go on to this site. It's absolutely free and put this code so you can participate in this. Even you will be able to see the leaderboards. And the right answer is not a taxable perquisite. Please read the line nicely, guys. ये एग्जाम जिसने बोला आंसर राइट है, बट रीड द लाइन, यू हैव टू पुट द वर्ड हियर, यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन वेरी केयरफुली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इज हियर. Scholarship given by an employer company to children of its employee is not a or an perquisite. Scholarship given by employer of a company to its children of the employee. Is it taxable or exempt? And it is again, please read it nicely. It is not a dash dash perquisite. taxable perquisite. That means it is exempt. Very good. Next question. Sorry. Exemption in respect of leave travel concession is available only for going anywhere dash dash with. Anywhere dash dash with dash dash. Yes. LTC is available for only going anywhere dash dash till dash dash. Option B, you can go anywhere in India with your family. Only one has given this correct answer. Majority is not right here. Please read nicely. पढ़कर out test देने के लिए. Exemption in respect of leave travel concession is available only on hotel charges, boarding expenses, bus, air, rail fare, all of the above. Leave travel concession. The word itself says you the meaning. Yes. And the right answer is it is available only for the travel. Okay, and that is through bus airfare. Guys, see, leave travel concession only for travel, not to stay. So only for bus, air and rail fare. Next question, question number 18. Employer gives a gift in kind on marriage of the son of the employee. Gift so made shall be. Employer to employee's son on marriage. Yes. Gift is given by employer to employee's son in a kind. Answer is option number B. Exempt is value is less than 5,000. If more than 5,000, then taxable. See, it was in kind. If it were been money, then always taxable. And why taxable? Because it will come under salary as received by employer from to employee. Cash gift received 4999 is dash dash. Yes. Right now I have said the answer. Abhishek, it absolutely depends upon the institute. There is nothing like that. Institute can do anywhere, anytime, they can give you any way. That we can't say definitely. It's fully taxable, guys. Right now I have said you, if it is in kind, then 5,000 limit is there. If it is in cash, it is fully going to be taxable. Next question, question number 20. Tea and snacks are provided to employee in the office during the office hours. The value of perquisite shall be. टी एंड स्नैक्स का परक्यूजिट वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? absolutely exempt. Very good. Next question, question number 21. Expenditure pertaining to health club, sports facility, etc. is आपके एम्प्लॉयर ने आपके ये सारे एक्सपेंडिचर भी रिइंबर्स किए हैं और पे किए हैं. So such expenditure is taxable perquisite, exempt perquisite, partly taxable or none of the above. Yes. Option A. It is going to be fully exempt. The facilities of health club, sports facility, etc., which is provided to employee, is absolutely exempt. Please remember this. Next question. Fee or concessional tickets granted to employee of an airline or the railway is dash dash. Yes, so small things have been considered here. So that things, everything MCQ practice so आपको ये अलग सी चीजें और अच्छी से याद रहे. Okay, the small concept gets clear here. Concessional ticket to a travel company of railways and airline. Yes. Come on, everyone answer it quickly. Answer is here. It is absolutely exempt perquisite. आज बिल्कुल अच्छे से पढ़ेगा. आप सब लोग सैटरडे संडे को पीजीपीपी की पढ़ाई करके आओगे मंडे को, और आज आई एम सेइंग द मंडे विल बी द लास्ट एमसीक्यू सीरीज. प्लीज एटलीस्ट गो थ्रू अ चैप्टर या सिंपली मेरा ऑडियो सुन लो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. A company has provided laptop for 50,000 to its employee for official and personal purpose. They have provided for use, they haven't transferred it. So laptop and computer for use to employee is dash dash. What is the perquisite value here? It's absolutely nil. Very good. Transfer किया होता then we would take a WDV depreciation. Perfect. Next question. Question number 24. Employer has given a video camera for personal use. Again, use of the employee. The value of taxable perquisite is asset provided by employer to employee for only use. Option number A. Very good. It's 10% of cost, not WDV, guys. Next, question number 25. Employer purchased a car of 8 lakhs, 2 years and 7 months. Thereafter, sold it to employee for 2,02,000. The value of perquisite is, yes, employer purchased an 8 lakh and transferred to employee after 2 years 7 months. What is going to be the value of perquisite? And also he recovered 2,02,000 from have given correct answer. Very good. How come 8 lakhs 2 year completed year? So we'll subtract only 20% two times, and then we'll deduct 2,02,000 as that has been recovered from employee. So the balance taxable perquisite comes to 3,10,000. Simply do 8 lakh minus 20% minus 20% minus 2,02,000. You will get the answer. Abhishek, no audio isn't available on my YouTube channel, but if you want it, I will share with you as well, not an issue. Just message me on the WhatsApp number for query. Car capacity 1.9 liter, 1.9 lakh, 1.9 liter, owned and expenditure paid by employer. Perquisite value is, capacity is 1.9 lakh liter, employer owned it, expenditure is also paid by employer. What is the perquisite value? Very simple, go with our chart. The chart we do it. The fourth situation. And the answer is option D. None of the above. See, as it is owned and even expenditure is paid by employer, so the perquisite is 2,400 per month, as it is more than 1.6 liter capacity. Okay, not 1,800. If it would be less, then it would be correct. Next question. Particularly, sometimes I haven't given you the options. Encashment of leave salary at a period of service is fully taxable in case of leave salary encashed during the year. Is fully taxable in which case? During the year. साथ साथ में आपने एनकैश कर दिया आपकी लीव सैलरी. Aditi, no, that's not available yet for income tax. And the right answer is option D. Very good. I'm really impressed with this. That's very good. Next question. Maximum exemption in case of leave encashment is. Leave encashment maximum exemption. Try to remember which was the number of this it was given to you. That's very simple. The maximum exemption in case of leave encashment is 3 lakhs. Very good. Last second question for today. Payment of premium on personal accident insurance policy of the employee by the employer is. Premium is paid by employer of employee. No Aditi, that's not yet there, as I've said you. But if you have any query, any difficulty, you can get to my WhatsApp number. I will always be there. And the right answer is option number 2. It's absolutely exempt. See, personal accident policy ho, life insurance policy ho, whatever it may be, if employer is paying for an employee, it's fine. It is absolutely exempt. Last question, because see, accident can also happen in a manufacturing plant, so employer do tend to provide them. Salary for exemption of leave encashment shall be taken as. Leave encashment की salary की definition क्या है? They have asked you that. Salary for calculation of leave encashment. Answer is average salary for 10 months preceding the day of retirement. So आप जिस दिन रिटायर हुए हो उसके पीछे की लास्ट 10 months की एवरेज सैलरी निकाल दीजिए. That is going to be your lieu encashment calculation salary. Okay, so that's all for today. We have taken around 30 questions. On Monday we'll be going with PGBP, but it's your duty to revise that PGBP and then come to class. So that our classes, so that what we do in class, this would be more nicely revised by you, or it will be more worthful to watch it. So our three winners today are Shubha, Shriram and Aditi, but I'm really not happy with the percentage of your right answering. Okay, you have to improve that. There is a revision needed in this case. Okay, and if you need that audios, so please WhatsApp me whatever audios are available with me for the revision audio. Just that is 5-10 minutes quick revision audios, so I can just share with you so that it will be helpful for you as well. Okay. Yeah, Abhishek, it's absolutely fine. I know that, Abhishek. That's the only reason I have to make the audios in a class. Once we complete the chapter, just WhatsApp me your message. I will be sharing the audios with you. Okay, whichever I'm having saved with me. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Basefully. On Monday, have a happy weekend these 2 days. On Monday, we'll be meeting with the chapter of PGBP. Okay, so ask your friends also who want to join it, because that is really one of the important chapter for your purpose of examination. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please let me know. And yes, the answer, that 6,000 question, the question was itself mistaken. Hence I asked you, जिसने सही आंसर दिया जरा मुझे बताइए कैसे आया है. The question was at a fault. The answer was 12,000. 3,000 rent you pay, 2,000 you recover from your employee, 1,000 perquisite per month. So 1,000 to 12, that comes to 12,000. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Yes, Aditi, just right now I had explained it. If you didn't knew it, please again WhatsApp me. I am at a quick today because I have to go outside for a work. So I'm so sorry. If any query is pending, please message me. I will be there to pick that. Thank you so much. Let's meet on Monday. Bye bye.